Rounding. Objective. Given a set of 4 rounding to estimate practice problems, students will independently answer 3 out of 4 correctly by using the basic rules of rounding place values on a basic rounding to estimate quiz. The purpose of rounding to estimate is to check if your answers are reasonable or if they make sense. Basic rules of rounding numbers. Today we're going to be using a 2-digit number to practice with, and it'll be rounded to the nearest 10. Rules for rounding. The first thing you want to do is underline the number in the place value you will round. In this case, it's going to be the 2, which represents 20 in the tens place. Look at the number to the right. This would be a 6 in the ones place for us. If the number to the right of the number you'd like to round is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the original number is just going to stay the same. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it will go up one more number. So in this case, since there is a 6 in the ones place, the 2 will round up to 3, which means that 26 then rounds up to 30, because every number to the right of the number you rounded becomes a 0. So we can say that the number 26 is closer to 30 than to 20. Now you practice and round these numbers: 25, 78, 36, 158, 689. 25 would round to 30, 78 rounds to 80, 36 rounds to 40, 158 rounds to 200, and 689 rounds to 700. You use the same basic principles when you're estimating sums as well. It's important to estimate sums so you can see if your answer that you got is reasonable when you are adding. You round because you want to make the numbers easier to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to round the numbers using the rules for rounding that we've already gone over, and then you're going to perform the operations. So 12 would round to 10, and 8 would also round to 10 because it's closer to 10 than to say 5 or 1 or 0. 10 plus 10 equals 20, which is our estimate, and our actual answer is 20 as well. So you can see that your actual answer is reasonable. Same thing goes for estimating differences. You round all the numbers first, and then you perform the operation. So in this case, 25 would round to 30, and 11 would round to 10. 30 minus 10 is 20, and 25 minus 11 is 14. So 14 is relatively close to 20, so that means that my actual answer before rounding would be reasonable. Now the next 4 problems are going to be your practice problems. So go ahead and pause and then practice the problems, and then your teacher will have the answers for you at the end. Thank you.